everyone, let's get real for a second. If you are from ECE or instrumentation and you have ever thought, I want a core job, but I don't know where to start from, then you are not alone. Here's some truth that nobody tells you. Your college degrees might have given you the basics. Your coaching center might have helped you with some practical stuff. But guess what? Companies like Intel, AMD, Qualcomm, Micron, they are looking for something totally different. They want engineers who can hit the ground running, not someone who's just ready to solve MCQ questions and repeat textbook answers. They are hiring people who know how to build real things, who understand what's at stake in the industry, tools, timelines, standards, and most importantly, skill and problem-solving nature. So what do you think? Recruiters of top semiconductor companies really want from you during core job interviews? Hands-on tool experience. They don't just want you to know about Cadence and Synopsys. They want you to use them like a professional, project depth, and not just final year titles. They don't care about one theoretical project or group project you have done. They'll ask, how many chips have you designed? How many tape outs have you worked on? What was your role in debugging or verification? Understanding the process of design. In VLSI, it's not about just writing code. It's about understanding the entire design flows, from requirement, design trade-offs to simulation and sign-off. Problem solving, not textbook answers. They'll challenge you with real-world design problems. You have got a timing violation in your chip. What's now? How will you reduce power without losing performance? Team collaboration and communication. This might surprise you, but communication is a key skill. You'll be working in a broad environment with layouts, analog, verification team. How well you communicate could be the difference. They are not hiring to teach students. They are hiring engineers who can solve real-world problems. Let's break down it with an example. Imagine, would a successful cricket team hire players who have only watched matches, or strong players who are good at cricket in the real field? How do you demonstrate knowledge without doing it? College institutions, most theoretical generic curriculum, basic labs, no access to advanced EDA tools or hands-on chip design projects. Local coaching centers, they'll teach you some syntax and simulation. They might help you to crack few interviews. But how many chips have they designed themselves? If your trainers only been in team that design a few chips, or worse, never design a chip, how can they prepare you to do the same? Imagine learning chip design from people who actually design chips on a daily basis. Introducing the PG Diploma in Semiconductor Tech and Chip Design by IIT Bhubaneswar, in collaboration with Mosart Labs and the VLSI industry experts, the ones who have designed numerous commercial successful chips, designed into the electronics from top brands. Here's why this is a game-changing. This collaboration brings a practical solution that works. Mosart Labs is a chip design company that's building next-gen battery management ICs for electric vehicles. This means the training you get is aligned with real-world industry needs. It's not just theory, it's what's required for the job you are aiming for. When you join this program, it's not about just attending lectures. Here's what you'll do. Work with real EDA tools like Cadence and Synopsys. Complete 8+ mini projects and a capstone project that's simulating an actual full-time job. Get trained from top experts at companies like Intel, AMD, Qualcomm, and Bosch. Learn from industry veterans with over 20 years of chip design experience. This is why our students step into the interviews already speaking the recruiter's language. Timing analysis, DRC, LVS, floor planning, RTL design, these are not just words. but real experience. Let me leave you with one crucial question. If you are dreaming for a core job in VLSI, how many industry-based real-time projects have you completed? Because if your answer is 0, that's exactly how recruiters will see you, no matter how good your CGPA is. But with this program, you'll design 8 mini projects plus 1 capstone project. You'll be the engineer that recruiters want. Someone who can contribute from the day one with hands-on experience in 9 real-time industry projects. Seriously? How can any MNC say no to you? You have got the skills, the experience, and the edge. So what are you waiting for? Think smart, take charge, and act now. Your future won't wait. Make it happen. Don't just prepare for the interview, prepare for the job. Be industry ready, learn from actual chip designers, get trained by a company that's shaping the future of semiconductors. The launchpad for this program only Rs 2,950. Don't wait. Register now using the Google form in the description. Step into the VLSI industry, not just with knowledge, but with real hands-on experience. Because in the semiconductor world, it's not about what you know, it's about what you have built. To stand out in the semiconductor industry, you need more than just theory. You need real-world experience. Join the program and start building the future of technology today.